Okay, guys, we have the Little Island Landscape Audio Tour. Yep, this is Little Island. Little Island is right there over there, so we're gonna walk over there and check it out, see what's up. Little Island. The Little Island is around the Hudson Trail to the Hudson Pier. Yep, another picture of it. People hanging out, chilling, relaxing. Some people are walking, tourists. It's like a new hot tourist spot. Okay, let's see if we go in there. Just take a quick walk in there and see what happens. We're just gonna go in there and see what happens. I remember when it first opened, you had to pay money to go in there. It's like a couple of bucks to go in there. All right, guys, check. This is Zone Life. Welcome to Little Island. Okay, yeah, okay. I don't know, it's man-made. Probably lasts a couple of years. I don't know. It's beautiful though. First place, let's go over here. Oh no, that's a bathroom. I'm tripping. Oh no, I don't want that. All right, let's go up here and see. Wow, it's a man-made island, and this island is called the Little Islands with an S.
It's funny because also can't they walk to their fitness center?
Well, they have a golf cart.
He always thought it was his back.
TDR, but
So where do you play?
there's a lot of people, guys. There's tons of people. I want to go all the way on the top. It's not shaking, it's not moving. It feels like I'm on land, but I'm on the island. It's a little man-made island. Yep. Yeah, we're going to the top.
Oh, yes, I think he did. Oh my gosh. I don't know, now we're generating.
What you want to hear? Just come.
I feel like
I'm gonna go down a week. I'm gonna go down for a week.
Yeah, I ain't going out there. I'm just turning around for another day. His mouth. He shut his mouth. Alright, it's a beautiful little island, guys. Yep. And that area right there, I think it's for like concert and other stuff down over there. Beautiful. Love it. And this island is along the Hudson Pier. Okay, Hudson Park, Hudson Yarrow, Hudson River, however way you want to call it, in New York City, Manhattan. Okay, it's tricky. Tricky.
As I'm like crawling down the stairs.
Tricky. All right, got it.
Get video of you.
Already. Oh, shit. Let's go this way. And I just came from over there. Oh, great. Cool. Thank you. Tricky. All right. Nice. Great. Whew. Guys, I just came from up there that way. That's a hike. It's beautiful. You can bring your girlfriend here, your family, kids. It's kid friendly. One thing I ain't seen in here yet is pets. I don't know if the pets is allowed in here, but yeah, it's a beautiful little island. Beautiful. I love it. Yeah, there's a lot of people, but yeah, it is what it is. You could bring a girl on a date here. All right, baby, come on, let me take you to the little islands. You know, it's kind of new in New York. They haven't been here for over a year yet. Nah, it's a new spot. Yep, people relaxing and doing what they do.
How you doing, brother?
Good.
You know which way Little Island? Where the Tai Chi demonstration is?
Tahoe?
Tai Chi. Martial arts demonstration they have going on.
Nah, I'm kind of new to the area.
Okay, you look like you know your way around.
No, not really.
Thank you.
Hey, you welcome. Have a good one. Tai Chi. I don't do no Tai Chi. I do Kung Fu. I do Bruce Lee stuff. Tai Chi for females. See, they even got a piano here you could play. Piano you could play. And that's how the island look like. Little islands, beautiful. Nice. Yeah. So yeah, when you're in New York, you can come visit, bring a girl here. You know what I mean? It's beautiful, man. It's nice. The breeze, the air feels so good. I love it. Right now, I don't think you gotta pay. Well, first when it first opened up, you had to pay some money. But now this, oh no, you don't have to pay nothing, like zero. Yo, thank you for watching, guys. Hopefully you guys have a good one. This is Zone Life. Check.